AI content for affiliate marketing. If you've been searching for AI content for affiliate marketing because you want to create content faster, generate more traffic, and potentially earn more affiliate commissions without spending hours writing scripts or creating videos manually, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I use AI content for affiliate marketing, how AI tools are changing the way content is created, and how complete beginners can use AI to build affiliate marketing businesses without needing advanced technical skills. Before we get started, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I post videos every week about affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless YouTube channels, and ways to make money online. Also, check the pinned comment below. I've included my discounted Syllaby link, which is one of the AI tools I use to generate content ideas, create scripts, and build faceless videos much faster. You'll also find my #1 recommended affiliate offer called Daily Income Method. It pays up to $200 per sale and includes access to over 100,000 viral clips as a bonus. Both resources are in the pinned comment below. Now let's talk about why AI content for affiliate marketing has become such a hot topic. A few years ago, creating content was slow. You had to brainstorm ideas, research topics, write scripts, create visuals, edit videos, and publish everything manually. Today, AI can help speed up almost every step of that process. That's why AI content for affiliate marketing is becoming one of the biggest opportunities for content creators, affiliate marketers, and online entrepreneurs. Now here's something important. AI does not replace strategy. AI does not replace creativity. AI does not replace value. What AI does is help you execute faster. Think of AI as an assistant, a very fast assistant, one that can help generate ideas, organize information, create drafts, and eliminate many of the repetitive tasks involved in content creation. That's where the real advantage comes from. Let's walk through the exact process I use. The first step is finding content ideas. This is where many affiliate marketers struggle. They know they want to create content, but they don't know what to create. They don't know what people are searching for. They don't know what topics will generate views. That's exactly why I started using Syllaby. One of the things I like most about Syllaby is that it helps generate content ideas around topics people are already interested in. Instead of guessing, I can quickly identify content opportunities and build videos around them. For example, if I'm promoting affiliate marketing tools, I might create videos around affiliate marketing for beginners, AI affiliate marketing, faceless affiliate marketing, passive income ideas, content creation tools, AI side hustles. These are topics people actively search for. That's important because search intent often leads to better traffic. If you'd like to try Syllaby yourself, check the discounted link in the pinned comment below. Now, after finding a topic, the next step is creating a script. This is another area where AI content for affiliate marketing can save a tremendous amount of time. Instead of staring at a blank page, AI can help generate outlines, talking points, and first drafts. Now, I always recommend editing and personalizing everything. Add your experiences, add your stories, add your examples. The goal isn't to let AI replace you. The goal is to let AI help you move faster. That's a huge difference. Once the script is complete, the next step is creating the actual content. This is where faceless content becomes incredibly powerful. Many affiliate marketers don't want to show their faces, and that's completely fine. Today, you can create content using stock footage, screen recordings, AI visuals, animations, B-roll footage, slides, voiceovers, text overlays, and many other formats. This is one reason faceless YouTube channels have become so popular. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need a studio. You don't need professional video skills. You simply need useful content. Now let's talk about traffic, because traffic is what drives affiliate commissions. Without traffic, there are no clicks. Without clicks, there are no sales. Without sales, there are no commissions. One of my favorite traffic sources is YouTube. And the reason is simple. YouTube is both a search engine and a recommendation engine. People actively search for answers every day. They're looking for AI content for affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing tutorials, AI tools, content creation software, faceless YouTube channels, side hustles, and thousands of other topics. Those searches create opportunities. Every search represents a problem someone wants solved. And if your content provides the solution, you're positioned to help them. That's one of the reasons AI content for affiliate marketing works so well. You're creating content around topics people already care about. Now let's talk about monetization, because that's what everyone wants to know. How does AI content for affiliate marketing actually make money? The process is simple. Create content, get traffic, recommend products, earn commissions. For example, if someone wants help creating content faster, I might recommend Syllaby. If they purchase through my affiliate link, I earn a commission. If someone wants a beginner-friendly opportunity that pays up to $200 per sale, I might recommend Daily Income Method. Again, you'll find both resources in the pinned comment below. And remember, Daily Income Method also includes over 100,000 viral clips as a bonus. The key is making recommendations that genuinely help people. When your content solves problems, affiliate marketing becomes much easier. Now let's talk about scale. This is where AI content for affiliate marketing becomes really exciting, because AI helps reduce the time required to create content. That means you can produce more videos, test more ideas, reach more people, and build more assets. Every piece of content becomes another opportunity to generate traffic. Every video becomes another opportunity to earn commissions. And over time, those assets compound. One of the biggest mistakes I see beginners make is waiting for perfection. They want the perfect niche, the perfect script, the perfect video, the perfect thumbnail, the perfect setup. Meanwhile, successful creators are publishing, learning, improving, and building momentum. Progress beats perfection every single time. Quick favor, if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the algorithm and helps more people discover these videos. Also, leave a comment below and let me know if you're currently using AI tools for content creation. I'd love to hear what's working for you. Now let's recap. AI content for affiliate marketing is one of the most powerful opportunities available right now. Use AI to generate ideas. Use AI to create scripts. Create valuable content. Generate traffic. Recommend products that help people. Earn commissions. And most importantly, stay consistent. If you'd like to use the same tools I'm using, check the pinned comment below. You'll find my discounted Syllaby link where you can get started today. You'll also find Daily Income Method, which pays up to $200 per sale and includes over 100,000 viral clips as a bonus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.